Dealing aces, smoking ace. You better step your shit up before you coming at me. That's real talk. SK, Pippy NT. Yeah. Sending shots at me, I send them back and leave you miserable. Smoking ace could get smoked, leave your condition critical. Flip your bitch over in the bed like a reciprocal. Your swag fucked up, you just a bummy individual. My verse is legendary like my verse is biblical. Money controls whatever I'm seeing in my visual. Smoking ace could never rap, face the reality. Kill his fucking career, turn it to a fatality. My career will never die, call it immortality. Now you wanna finally decide to fucking challenge me? I got the money coming in like a salary. Smoking ace successfully dissing me is a fallacy. Whenever I'm in the booth, it gets real. Cause smoking ace could get this back, lyrically killed. Put him in the body bag after his blood spills, and I killed you in this diss. How the fuck do you feel? Why they call you smoking ace when you smoking crack rock? Smack the bitch out of you if you ever try to back top. Pistol to his head, and then I tell it blast off. Kill you with this verse, and then I gotta dash off. I just want my name in the rap game solidified. The chopper like a critic just because it leaves you criticized. I'm just chasing the rap dreams that I visualize. The bullets like to eat, smoking ace is dinner time. Paid in full forever, yes we are the enterprise. Gotta do it big, I'll never be minimized. This is a game you don't wanna play, you better back out. Leave you choking in the booth, so I make you tap out. I can get both of your bitches fucking with their ass out. Hit you with them punchlines until you fucking pass out. Sending shots at you, so I'm riding with that Mac out. Lights out for your career, I call it a blackout. I bring pain, let the feeling excruciate. You could never see me in rapping, you hallucinate. Swerve on your bitch, but I still maneuver straight. The last thing you'll see is the tip of the gun illuminate, yeah. Smoking ace, you better step your shit up before you coming at me. But to the people that's listening, this ain't no street beef, this just music. I fuck with smoking ace. I'm just trying to prove that I got more bars than that's it. I'm SK, and I'm back.